Hi everyone, my name is Rishit. Today is the 7th of October 2024. I'll be going over a new series that I'm starting, which is the introduction. Well, this lesson is the introduction to economics, and over the next 2 years, I'm going to be covering topics of microeconomics, macroeconomics, and international economics. Over the summer, I attended Harvard University and learned these topics as a kind of extension to my mission to spread financial awareness to the community. Obviously, I had to learn the things first. And as a result of that, I feel like it's important to now spread to the online through an online medium, which is why these simple short lessons will be going over basic topics in economics, gradually building on them in detail. And today is just the introduction to this long series of videos. Now, economics, as formally defined, is a social science concerned chiefly with description and analysis of the production, distribution, and consumption of goods and services. But what is economics, and what are some key concepts that relate to it? And obviously, each one of these will have their own separate video, but this is just a very basic things. These are very basic things that are kind of central to the entire subject. Scarcity underlies everything that you will learn in economics. It is the idea that resources are finite and limited, leading to trade-offs and more specifically allocation choices that require decision making, which can be either price-based or non-price related allocation. Supply and demand is central to microeconomics more specifically, but naturally this affects macro as well. It is the interaction between buyers and sellers determining prices and quantities in the market. And we will cover the graphs for supply and demand and how equilibrium can shift based on news events, changes in other goods, etc., etc. Opportunity cost is another concept that's going to be very, very important in economics. It is the value of the next best alternative foregone while making a choice. So by making a choice, you obviously give up a bunch, infinite amounts of other choices. But opportunity cost is simply concerned with the next best choice. And branches of economics are mainly micro and macro economics, but there is also international economics as well, which is kind of an extension of macro. Microeconomics focuses on individual agents and markets, whereas macroeconomics examines the economy as a whole, including issues like inflation, unemployment, and economic growth. This is just a very, very, very short video encapsulating the basics of economics, the fundamentals that are going to underlie every single thing that I'm going to talk about in the long series over the next 2 years. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. Enjoy, and I will see you in the next video.